dash dash, etc. HTML tags are divided into many categories. HTML tags are divided into the following categories: basic tags, formatting tags, lister tags, link tags, image tags, audio and video tags, table tags, frame tags, form tags, meta tags. Many categories of tags are there. Is it over? Say, last 3-4 sessions, you studied only theory part. Only theory part. Today onwards, programming. Today onwards, coding you will see. To write HTML programs, we require tags, attributes, entities. These three concepts will be there. So writing HTML programs, only we required only tags, attributes, entities, no other things. Suppose if you learn any other programming language, C language, C++, Java, C#, so many concepts are there. Identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, variables, operators, type conversion, like that. So many concepts. But in HTML, only three concepts: tags, attributes, entities. Okay. You should know only tags, attributes, entities to write HTML program. There is no logic, nothing. Anybody can understand that much easy. Okay. Now, these tags only divided into many categories. Many categories. Now, these are categories. One by one each category wise you will learn. Now, there are two types of tags. Note down. There are two types of tags. First one, body tags. You can also call container tags. Second one, empty tags. There are two types of tags. First one, body tags. Second one, empty tags. There are two types of tags. First one, body tags. Second one, empty tags. Body tags, we can also call container tags, and empty tags. What's the difference? I'll show you. First one, body tags. Container tags. Syntax. So how to write body tags? You're learning. Body tags, we are calling like a container tags. Syntax will be like this: less than symbol, tag name, greater than symbol. After that, you can write body, again slash tag name. This is body tag syntax. Note down. So less than symbol, tag name, greater than symbol. After that, you can write body, again less than symbol, slash tag name, greater than symbol. So here, it is called open tag, it is called body, it is called close tag. Note down. Open tag. It is body. It is close tag. Open tag, body, close tag. Open tag, body, close tag. Tag here, open tag, close tag difference is just one forward slash. So it is open tag, it is close tag. Difference is just one forward slash. And here content you can write. Content. Okay. That is we are calling like a body. Now, some body, maximum 99% body tags are there. Just 1% empty tags are there. Body tag contains open tag, close tag, in between content. That is we are calling like a body. Okay. Here, already given HTML is not a case sensitive. You can write capital letters also, small letters also, mixed letters also, any style write works. And it is a platform independent. On any platform you can run, but browser dependent. Some tags not supported by some browsers. Okay. One browser, suppose you'll execute in Google Chrome. Same program you'll execute in Microsoft Edge. Sometimes may not work. Some tags not supported by browser. It is browser dependent also. Okay. I'll show you everything. You'll understand further sessions. It is open tag, body, close tag. Like this is their body tag. Second one, empty tags. Second one, empty tags. Empty tags syntax will be only open tag will be there. Just tag name. No close tag, no body. Okay. Now, here just empty tags syntax. Less than symbol, tag name, greater than symbol. Syntax nothing but rule. You must follow like this. Now, here open tag, you can write some content, you can write close tag. If it is body empty tag, only open tag will be there. No body, no close. So 99% of the tags like this only we have. Open, close, body, or write. 1% this type of tags also are there. Okay. These all tags, tag syntaxes. First program to last program, same style. There is no change. Okay. First program, first HTML program, today I'll teach. Last HTML program also same. Syntax, no change. Okay. These are tags, attributes. If you see program, you'll understand. Attributes, heading. Attributes are used to provide some additional information about tags. Attributes are used to provide some additional information about tags. Attributes are used to provide some additional information about tags. These all, if you see first program, you'll understand what exactly attribute these all. Additional information you can provide about tag. There are two types of attributes. There are two types of attributes. First one, attribute with value. Second one, attribute without value. There are two types of attributes. First one, attribute with value. Second one, attribute without value. Two types of attributes. See, if you want to write HTML program, first tag required, next attributes required, sometimes entities required. Three concepts. That is terminology: tag, entity, attribute. These all. Attributes are used to provide some additional information about tags. About tag, you can provide some additional information. What is the additional information? I'll explain. Two types of attributes are there: attribute with value, attribute without value. These syntaxes I'll show you. First one, attribute with value. Syntax. Attribute name equal to attribute value. Suppose you want to display color. One attribute will write that value, which color you want to display, that is will write. Here attribute name equal to attribute value. So attribute name will write equal to symbol will write, attribute value will write. The value you can write in single quotes also, double quotes also, without quotes also. It works. Node attribute value can be written in single quotes or double quotes. Attribute value can be written in single quotes or double quotes. Attribute value can be written in single quotes or double quotes. So here double quotes I given here. You can write single quotes also. Even if you write don't write quotes also works, but better to write either single quote or double quote. Sometimes attribute value having if it is space, then doesn't work. That is the reason better to write double quotes or single quotes. Then it works. Attribute value can be written in single quotes or double quotes. Say first one attribute with value. At the time like this required. Attribute without values are there. Only name you are write. Second one attribute without value. Attribute without value. Attribute without value syntax. Just you can write attribute name. Attribute name. Attribute without value. Syntax is just attribute name. If you see one program, you'll understand which is HTML, which is tag, which is attribute, which is entity, everything you'll understand. Okay. If you see one program, now I'll show you. Say, if you want to write HTML program, what we have in HTML? Tags, attributes, entities. Only three concepts. Only three concepts, no other. Total first program to last program, only tags, attributes, entities, no other. Okay. Now, tags. How many types of tags? Two types. What are those? Body tags, empty tags. Body tag, empty tag. If you want to write body tag, we require open tag, close tag, body. Empty tag means only open tag. But open tag, close tag, how to differentiate? Slash symbol. Okay. Attributes are used to provide some additional information to tags, about tags. Then attributes, how many types? Two types. What are those? Attribute with value, attribute without value. Value can be in single quotes or double quotes. But where we ought write these attributes, right? Note, attributes must be written in open tags only. Attributes must be written in open tags only. Attributes must be written in open tags only. You can write in open tag only, you can write. Close tag you should not write. Okay, you must write attributes in open tag only. Now, I'll show you first program. Writing HTML program editors required. Last class you studied. To run the HTML program, what we required? Browsers required. So one editor, one browser. That's it. Now, no need to install any software. With Windows operating system only. Example, Notepad is there. Notepad you can write. And already browser is there in your system. Now that browser you can run. So writing HTML program purpose editor required. To run the HTML program purpose, we require browser. When you install Windows operating system, with Windows operating system, Notepad is coming. So no need to install any software. Google Chrome already you are using. That browser you can use. but there are so many editors are there, so many editors. Okay. But IDEs, integrated development environments, with that code assistance will be there. Code assistance. Those all, if you use, what will happen? Maximum code generated by environment only. Then you will forget subject. As a beginner, don't use Eclipse, MyEclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, and PyCharm and VS Code. These all don't use as a beginner. After getting some knowledge, use whatever you want. But as a beginner, whatever I'm going to show, that is your practice first. Okay. Now, first program. How to write? I'll show you. Here. You observe? Here. HTML contains tags, attributes, entities to write HTML programs. Today, you are going to learn tags and attributes. Entities part later. Entities part later. Listen. You are only not listening. Now, listen with concentration. Okay, listen with concentration. HTML also don't neglect. Okay, if you neglect about HTML and CSS, JavaScript you cannot understand. First class you have seen. If I remove CSS code, you have seen output. If I remove JavaScript code, you have seen output. But if I remove HTML, blank page comes. Then learning JavaScript also HTML compulsory. For learning CSS also HTML compulsory. Many people, what they'll think, HTML is nothing, they'll think. They won't practice, they won't learn. Later, while learning JavaScript, they'll face the problem. That's it. If you neglect HTML, later JavaScript you cannot understand. JavaScript not possible. Without HTML, no JavaScript. Without HTML, there is no CSS. So don't neglect. It is easy only, I'll accept. It is very easy. 5th class student also can learn. Already told. That much easy. But don't neglect. Now, here, tags, attributes, entities. Only 3 concepts are there to write HTML programs. Now, first you learn tags. Tags only, many categories of tags are there. Many categories of tags. Okay. Those tags only 2 types. Body tag, empty tag. So all categories of tags, any category you open, only body tag, empty tag, no other. And same attributes with value, without value. Okay. Now, first category of tag. First one, HTML open, HTML close. It is used to write HTML program. HTML open, HTML close. It is used to write HTML program. This is open tag. This is close tag. We are writing body. That's what this is called, body tag. It is used to write HTML program. So if you want to write HTML program, first HTML tag is compulsory. Okay. Second one, HTML program divided into 2 parts, header part, body part. Header part purpose, head. Node, head. It is used to write header part of the HTML document. I'll explain, just write it. If you see one program, you'll understand everything. Complete terminology you'll understand. Body. It is used to write body part of the HTML document. HTML head, body. Note on. 4th one, title. Only these 4 tags are basic tags. It is used to write title of the HTML document. It is used to write title of the HTML document. 4 basic tags are there. HTML, head, body, title. HTML, head, body, title. Online students, listen the class, write the notes. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen. First, listening is important. Every time giving time, no? At the time you can ask doubts. 4 basic tags are there. With these 4 tags only, we'll see one program. 4 basic tags. HTML tag to write HTML document. Head tag to write header part of the HTML document. Body tag to write body part of the HTML document. Title tag to write the title of the HTML document. Okay. Head, HTML, head, body, title. 4 tags are like this. Open, close, something I given means it is body tag. I given only open tag means empty tag. Like that you can understand. Okay. Now, these 4 tags are body tags only. HTML, head, body, title. 4 tags are body tags only. If I write only open tag, then you can understand that is empty tag. If I don't write open, close tag and body tag, body, then you can understand it's an empty tag. But these 4 tags are body tags only. Now, see how to write program, how to run program, I'll show you. See, writing program purpose editor. For example, Notepad. See what I'll do. I'll open Notepad. See, Notepad. I open Notepad. After opening Notepad, you observe. First program. First, if you want to write HTML program, HTML tag required. So, HTML open, HTML close. In between, you can write. Okay. If you want to write HTML document, first this is required. HTML open, HTML close. In between, you can write. Here, the document divided into 2 sections. One is header part, one is body part. Header part purpose, head. It is head. You can write header part here. Body. Body part purpose, body open, body close. The document divided into 2 sections. One is header part, second one body part. 99% of the code will write in body tag. 1% will write in header tag. But where is header, where is body, I'll show you. See, if I open browser, in this browser, you observe, from here to here, it is called header. From here to here, it is called body. So here if you want body, there if you want header. There also we can write some code. Example, you observe. Here, if I open, suppose google.com, I open. You observe, it is called title. It is called title. It is one icon, Google icon, favorite icon, favicon. That is, we'll call it a favicon. Like that also we can display. So here some functionalities if you want to implement here, that is like a header part will say. So this is body part. This is like a body part. Now here the HTML document divided into 2 sections. Header part, body part. Now in a header part, title comes under header part. So title open, title close. Here you can write whatever you want. Suppose something I'm writing web page. This is a title. Here I'm writing welcome to HTML. Now this welcome to HTML displayed in the body. Web page as a title displayed in the address bar. Title bar. See, you can write like this also. So you can write like this also. You can write like this also. You can write complete program in a one line also. Any style you can write, not a problem. Okay. And even you observe, you can also write capital letters, small letters, mixed letters also works. You can write, not a problem. So your convenient point of view, you can write whichever you like. See, here HTML, here capital, here small, valid, no error. Suppose H is capital, remaining small. Here reverse. Here H is small, remaining capital. Works, not a problem. It is not a case sensitive. You can write capital letter or you can write small letter. You can write mixed letter. Any style you can write, but better to follow only one type. Either all small letter write or capital follow better. But myself, I am following all small. You want whichever you want, you can follow. But one type only follow better. But some capital letter, some are small letter, mixed letter, different. If you write while writing, you may get confusion. That's what any one pattern you follow. Okay. Now I am writing all small letters only. See here, this is one HTML program. You already studied last class. HTML file extension can be .html or .htm also. Any one you can write. I'll save file, save. I'll write here where you want to save. Suppose this PC. Suppose in E drive I want to save. In E drive, file name something test. Test.html. I written test.html. Save. Test.html already exists. Do you want to replace? Yes, I replace it. Now file name I given test.html. Okay. File name test.html. Now I saved in E drive. Then how to run this program? You observe. Open the browser. Open the browser. Here, just that path you can write. E drive. File name test.html. Then program will run. Now you observe web page. I given web page title, no? That is came here. Body. Welcome to HTML I given, no? That is came here. Okay. This is first program. Just here title and body I displayed. Okay. Here how to change here icon possible. Everything I'll cover. How to add colors, everything. How to design, many things possible. This is the first program like this. Now you observe. Now instead of writing program in Notepad, there are so many editors. Suppose one more editor I'll go for Edit Plus. Edit Plus one software is there. Say Edit Plus software you can download. Just open Google. Here type Edit Plus download. You can type. Then first link only you observe editplus.com. Edit Plus download trial. Okay. You can click this. Here download Edit Plus. This is you can click. Then it is going to be downloaded in downloads folder. After that, just double click. Just one install button appears, last finish button appears. That's it. Very small software. Okay. Within 2 minutes, you can download, you can install. So open Google, type Edit Plus download. First link only click. Like this comes. You click here. It is stored in downloads folder. Double click. Install button will be there. Click on install. Last finish button will be there. Finish. Okay. Like that, after downloading, after installation. This is, you observe, free trial. This is free trial. Okay. 30 days evaluation period will be there. 30 days period will be there. 30 days freely you can use. Suppose I'll open Edit Plus software in my system. You observe Edit Plus. I'll open. This is Edit Plus software. Here dialog box appears. You observe 30 days evaluation period has been expired. In my system, 30 days already completed. When you open very first time, what it shows, 30 days left, 29 days left, 28 days left. Day by day, countdown will start. Okay. After completion of 30 days, you will get this dialog box. Now, if we click I agree, it will ask to buy. If we click quit, close it. Okay. What you do is after 30 days, don't click I agree, don't click quit. This box, keep it at side. Okay. You can work. That dialog box, keep it at side. Open file. Click new. Here HTML page. You observe some code automatically generated. No? Like this, some code generated in other editors. Then what will be happen in Edit Plus? Only this is generated, other not generated. Other editors, what will happen? Code assistance will be there. While typing only A, if you type, all A related tags appears. B, if you write, B related tags appears. But here doesn't appears. Here, till I didn't explain what is this tag. That it comes under meta tags, later I'll cover. Here, this attribute I'll cover later. And here, these are meta tags. These all I'll cover later. Present, you observe, whatever I written like that appears, no? So it is HTML open, HTML close, head open, head close, body open, body close, title open, title close. Here I'll write some body. Welcome to HTML. I'll write. Now I'll save. File, save. Where you want to save? Suppose this PC. Again, E drive. Suppose file name test.html. I'll save. Already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Now I'll open browser. I'll open browser. Here, E drive test.html. Okay. Then welcome to HTML, but title document. This is we got it. But what's the difference between Notepad and Edit Plus? You observe here, blue color appearing, no, those are tags. Black color appearing, no, whatever you are writing, content or body. Like that, while writing attributes, red color. While writing values, pink color. Like that, different colors appears. See, then what will happen if spelling mistake happened? You will understand. See, body. While writing body, you observe. After completion, blue color. You observe. POD written, Y. Then blue color. So, here while typing POD, see, color different, no? Like this color you can identify, whether it is right or wrong, you can identify easily, very quickly. Suppose if you write like this, colors changed. That is the reason this Edit Plus is better. But don't use VS Code, all those things. Later, after getting some knowledge, whichever editor you want, you can use. Now, here title, document, output. Now, welcome to HTML. Now, this is one program. So, either use Notepad or use Edit Plus. As compared to Notepad, Edit Plus better. This alignment also automatically proper alignment comes. Say, inside the HTML head, inside the HTML title, one space extra coming, you observe. It is very easily you can identify. Here open, here close, here open, here close. Easily you can identify. That alignment also properly comes. And also attributes one color, body tags one color, content one color, attribute values one more color, entities one more color. Colors different color appears. Very quickly you can identify. Okay. Write this program. Write this program. Write the program. First program, this is online students. Write the notes. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Write the notes. Listen the class, write the notes. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. See, 4 basic tags I given. The 4 basic tags I used in this program. See, HTML open, HTML close to write HTML program. Head open, head close to write header part of the HTML document. Body open, body close to write body part of the HTML document. Title open, title close to write title of the HTML document. Okay. Now you observe this is plain text displayed. Welcome to HTML. Now here, is it over? Writing is over. In this browser, you observe this color. This color by default background color white is there. This text color black is there. These colors you can change. These colors you can change. Background color, this text color you can change. For that, we require attributes. Now, node attributes of body tag. Attributes of body tag. These all whatever I'm giving predefined, no user defined concept in HTML. First one, BG color. This word BG color only or right? BG color. It is used to specify background color. Second one, text. It is used to specify text color. Attributes of body tag. BG color equal to, it is used to specify background color. Text. It is used to specify text color. Attributes of body tag. BG color, text. See, BG color, background color, text color. Now, but it should be BG color only. You cannot write background color. You must write BG color only. These are predefined. These words I am not giving my own. HTML also documentation is there. Library. Text color, text only you write. But you should not write text color. Text equal to only color you write. Okay. Now, third one, title. This title different. That title different. That is tag. This is attribute. It is used to specify tooltip text. 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 BG color, text, title. Attributes of body tag. 3 tags. You observe already body tag we written. Body open, body close. Body open, body close we written. But these attributes in open tag you write or close tag you write? Already given notes. Where we write? Open tag you write. Okay. In a open tag, these all you write. BG color for background color. If you want to change the background color, use this. If you want to change the text color, use this. Title, tooltip text. See, for example, in this notepad, top right corner, 3 buttons are there. Top right corner. What are these 3 buttons? Minimize, maximize, close, maximize or restore, something we are calling, no? Suppose this button, what is that button? People, they do not know. At the time, what they'll do? They'll place the mouse pointer here. One dialog box, one small text comes up, you observe, minimize. That is called tooltip text. Now, when you place the mouse pointer here, some text is appearing, minimize. When I place the mouse pointer here, restore. Okay, restore down. When I place the mouse pointer here, close. That is called tooltip text. Like that, when you design your application, there with that application buttons or labels, something you'll write. What we have to do, user may not understand. At that time, write tooltip text. When mouse pointer is placed, the text is displayed. With the text, they'll understand what they have to do. Okay. See, you observe in previous program only. What I'll do, you observe. Now, the head I'll remove. Already you learned. Ear. Suppose ear. Welcome to Naresh IT. Welcome to Naresh IT. File save. Now I written HTML body. That's it. Now file save. I'll open this page, refresh. If you refresh, latest one, welcome to Naresh IT. But in title, what is appearing, you observe? If you don't write title, by default, file name is a title. By default. See, it is showing test.html. File name is title. Welcome to Naresh IT. Now, this background color, by default, white is there. I want to change. Then, here, space, BG color equal to, suppose yellow. It is attribute with value. You observe, attribute red color appears and value pink color appears. Here, tags blue color appears, content black color appears. Like this in Edit Plus, colors appears. Very quickly you can understand which is tag, which is attribute, like that. That purpose Edit Plus better, I'm saying. Okay. Now, if I run this program, text background color yellow color appears. See, file save. I'll refresh. See, yellow color appears. It is background color yellow. Now, this color I want to change. Which attribute you have to write? Text. Text equal to red. Then red color appears. See, red color. Okay. Now this background color I changed. This text color I changed. Like this, so many things possible. Okay. Whatever you are browsing in internet, in a websites, that is possible. But not only with HTML. Okay. Everything is not possible with HTML. In a real time, what are the website every day you are visiting? Like that, I want like this, you want, people will come and ask. But that is not only with HTML. CSS required, JavaScript required, React.js requires, CSS, Bootstrap required, so many concepts are there. Okay. No, but whatever you browsed in internet, in a website, whatever you want, that is possible. That is possible. Okay. Now, you observe here, background color yellow, text color red. Okay, like this, background color yellow, text color red. If you want to change here, all 200 plus 255 colors are there. Whichever you want, you can write. Green, say green color. Here, you want yellow, yellow color. Okay, what are the colors you want? You can apply all colors. Now, when I place a mouse pointer, it has to display some text, tooltip text. You observe, title equal to, suppose this is my first web page, something. Like this I written. Now you observe, if I run this program, if I place a mouse pointer, this is my first web page. See, if I place other location, outside the body, no. You observe, this is my first web page. If I place outside, no. When I place a mouse pointer, it is showing. That is called tooltip text. Okay. Write this example. BG color, text, title. 3 attributes I used. So attributes of body tag. BG color, text, title. Not only these 3, many are there. I'll show you. So this BG color, what purpose? Background color. Text, what purpose? Text color. This title, what purpose? Tooltip text. Tooltip text. But title tag for title of the HTML document. Title tag different, title attribute different. Okay. Is it over? Next. Say these attributes are in body tag only can write. This BG color don't write in HTML. I given already attributes of body tag. So these attributes you can write in body tag only. And also you should not write in close tag. You must write in open tag only. Open tag only. Now attributes of body tag only. 4th one, left margin. It is used to specify left margin in pixels. Right, top margin. Top margin. It is used to specify top margin in pixels. Sixth one, background. It is used to specify the background image path. It is used to specify the background image path. So left margin, it is used to specify the left margin in pixels. Top margin, it is used to specify top margin in pixels. Background, it is used to specify the background image path. Then here image path you can specify that image displayed as a background. Either color or image. One only can use. Both if you write, which is going to work, we cannot predict. Because here no logic, nothing. So background, either write background or write background color. Any one only or write. So color or image. Image if you want, this one you can write. I'll show you how to use these all. Here left margin, top margin, background. 3 attributes you are going to learn. See the output without margins displayed. Without margins. Margin 0 will be there. Is it over? Writing is over. Here you observe. Here margin is not there. Okay. This side, this is you can increase. This is left margin. This is top margin. That is you can increase. You observe in the program. Here I'll remove colors. Now file save. Let this displayed. Now you observe left margin equal to 100. Then 100 pixels left margin comes. See, left margin 100. Now top margin equal to 100. Then tops like this. You observe here from here to here, it is left margin 100 pixels. From here to here, it is 100 pixels. Okay. Left margin 100 pixels, top margin 100 pixels. Suppose top margin 50. You observe 50. Top left margin also 50. See, like this. Now, I want to display one background image. That image path you can write. What you can do is here, background equal to, we have to specify the path of the image. You observe, in my system, some images are already present. You observe, this PC, C drive. See, these are images. Flowers, Teddy. Here, JF-IF extension. Okay. This file available in C drive. This path with extension, complete location. If I write, then that image as a background, it will be displayed. See, any one image. Here, you observe here. C drive. C drive. In C drive, flowers, JF-IF extension. File save. If I run, you observe one image showing no. It is image background. But this image, you observe, actually browser 100 pixels, 100% you have to take 100. 100% zoom ratio, 100% I have taken. That image repeated. If you don't want to repeat, CSS required. You want to display only one image, CSS required. You want to display vertically and horizontally or center or left side, right side. These are all possible with CSS. Okay. Now, this image, on that image, welcome to Naresh IT also is there, you observe. Now, image as a background displayed, as a background. Okay. So, like this image you can display, background image. Okay. Write this one. Left margin, top margin, background. Left margin, top margin, background. Noted. Here, Three attributes are written. These attributes, first left margin I written, next top margin, that is any order you can write. There is no restriction. Even you observe, if I remove this HTML also, it may works. Some browsers may not work. See, working. If I remove HTML tag also, it's working. Okay. These all, if I remove this one, what will happen? If I remove that one, what will happen? We cannot predict. One browser will understand, one browser will not understand. Okay. But here, no logic, nothing. You must write properly. If you are not getting output, means that sometimes works in a one browser doesn't work. That problem comes. That's what better to write. Better to write. See, if I remove even half tag, I'll remove. Only HTML written. Error will not come. You observe. No error. Output also not coming. We cannot predict. What will be happen? We cannot predict. See. Now, if I write HTML, you observe. If I write this one, observe, working. If I remove this, working. See, half tag if I write doesn't not working. Full tag if I write, it's working. If I remove, working. We cannot predict. These all no logic, nothing. Error will not come. Browser understands, output comes. Browser not understand, output will not come. It is not like a C language, Java language, JavaScript, C#, that type. Not like a Python. It is language. Okay. Here logic, all those things will not be there. Now, is it over? Now, I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. To write HTML program, which tag required? HTML. HTML open, HTML close. HTML document, how many parts divided? 2 parts. What are those? Header part, body part. To write header part, which tag we use? Head open, head close. To write body part, body open, body close. How to differentiate open tag, close tag? Slash. Only one slash. Forward slash. Okay. Title of the HTML document. If you want to write, which tag? Title tag. Title tag in head we are write or body we are write? Head. So here title, open, title, close. Okay. You can write whatever you want here. Suppose static web page, something I written. Here body, you can write welcome. File, save. Now if I run this program, static web page is a title. Welcome is a body. Now you observe like this. Here static web page is a title. Welcome is a body, output displayed. Now this background color, if you want to change, which attribute we use? PG color. In which tag we are write? Body tag. So PG color equal to one color. Suppose cyan. See cyan color displayed. Okay. Now font color I want to change. Which tag? Which attribute? Text color. Text color suppose red. See red color displayed. Observe red color. Okay. Now if you want to provide some left margin, what you are write? Left margin equal to suppose 30 pixels. Top margin 30 pixels. Okay. If you want to display tooltip text, title equal to something title. If I place a mouse pointer, see like this tooltip text. Okay. If you want to display background image, background equal to C drive anyone's file teddy.jfif. That is also same image, I think. Same image is there. See that is size increased, same image is there. Now like this 100 pixels, 100% ratio, like this displayed. Okay. Here you observe I written background color also. background image also, but one only appears. Now writing BG color is waste now. Writing BG color is waste. No use. Okay. Like this, today, basic tax you studied. Basic tax. Basic tax, only 4 tax are there. Only 4 tax. Here, first category of tax completed. Tomorrow, formatting tax. Formatting tax, 30 tax, 20 for 20 plus tax are there. Okay. Formatting tax, we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow, we'll see continuation. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts.